Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make a half kg cake which has a very simple design. As always, we should start with a cream on the bottom, then we should add a piece of cake, then we should add sugar syrup, then we should add cream and then repeat the same process. That's it. Now let's start crumb coating. After crumb coating, we are going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take it out of the refrigerator and then let's start cake icing with frosting. After icing, put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Before putting the chocolate ganache on top of the cake, we need to make the cake a bit cold. And now add the chocolate ganache. We have the chocolate ganache in my mother's channel. You guys can check it out if you want. And then we are going to decorate it however we want. You guys can decorate it however you guys want. And then for the last, we are going to add grated chocolate. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.